Hello guys, welcome to Quiz and Quotes. We are again available with you to discuss few more questions of accounting. Technically, this is the part five of that accounting short question and answer. Here we'll again discuss 2025 questions in the given time frame. Always try to make this discussion limited to 10 minutes so that you'll get a break and refreshments of mind, and so that you are ready for the next set of the questions. So I am not pumping all the questions in a single set for the convenience of time and enjoyment. I wish you enjoy the learning along with your work. So let's start the part five of the accounting short questions. And without wasting time, let's go to the questions. The first question coming is, dash stock is not included in trial balance. I repeat, dash stock is not included in the trial balance, and the answer is closing stock. Closing stock is not a part of the trial balance, it's a part of the year end adjustments. Next question. Error committed while totaling balancing of accounts are called dash. Error committed while totaling or balancing of accounts are called dash. These are the arithmetical errors. That means you make some totaling error or some calculation error like that. Next question, dash errors are disclosed by trial balance. Which kind of errors are disclosed by the trial balance? The answer is arithmetical errors. Trial balance is a tool which is used to find out if there is any arithmetical error. Next question, if one error nullifies the effect of another error, such errors are called dash. If one error nullifies the effect of another error, such errors are called dash. The answer is compensating error. Right? Compensating error nullifies the effect of another error. Right, guys? Next question. Suspense account is dash account. Suspense account is a very dramatic account. What is that? It's a temporary account. Because when your trial balance is not matching for the short span of time, so long that we'll find the mistakes and the differences, we open a suspense account. Closing stock appears outside the trial balance. I repeat, closing stocks appear outside the trial balance. Is it true or false? It's true. Closing stock is a part of the year-end or period end adjustments. It's not part of the trial balance. Next question. The trial balance is not a conclusive proof of accounting accuracy. It's true or false? I repeat the question. Trial balance is not a conclusive proof of accounting accuracy. True or false? It's true. The trial balance only find out the arithmetical error. Right, guys? Next question. Trial balance is a test of only arithmetical accuracy. True or false? Trial balance is a test of only arithmetical accuracy. True or false? It's true. Next question. Trial balance help to check the principle of double entry system. Trial balance helps to check the principle of double entry system. True or false? It's true. Trial balance is a part of ledger. True or false? False. Suspense account is a permanent account. No. Suspense account is a temporary account. So it is a false. Single-sided errors are generally rectified directly in ledger accounts before closing the accounts. True or false? True. We can we can correct the single-sided error directly in the ledger accounts before closing the books of accounts. Next question. Final accounts are not affected through the rectification bureau. Final accounts are not affected through the rectification of errors. True or false? False. Final accounts are definitely affected through the rectification of errors. Next question. Single-sided errors are rectified through suspense account. True or false? Single-sided errors are rectified through suspense account. True or false? It's true. Next question. A trial balance is a statement of debit and credit balances extracted from the ledgers with a view to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. Who said this? I repeat the question. A trial balance is a statement of debit and credit balances extracted from the ledger with a view to test the arithmetical accuracy of the books. Who said this? The answer is J.R. Bartley Boy. Mention any account which can show debit or credit balance. Give me an account which can show both debit and credit balance. The answer is rent. Debtors account always show which balance? Debtor account always show which balance? The answer is debit balance. Debtor account always shows debit balance. Next question. What balance is shown by drawing account? What balance is shown by drawing account? The answer is debit balance. Debit balance is shown by drawing account. Next question. How many methods are there for preparing trial balance? How many methods are there for the preparing trial balance? The answer is 4 methods are there for making trial balance. Next question. Is trial balance ultimately proof of accuracy of accounts? No, trial balance is not the ultimately proof of the accounts, accuracy of the accounts, because it only helps to find us the arithmetical accuracy. So guys, again we finished a set of 20 questions and it's a time to share the gift to you. Go to the description box, you'll find a link, click to the link. It will take to a particular website of fulfilled with the opportunities. Explore whether this opportunity for you or not. There is a huge chance to change your career, a good earning, ethically, logically, and with the a best person in the Asia and the business trading domain. So please explore it. Do it even in the part time. It is much beneficial for you. And I request share these MCQs, these short questions with your friends and family which are preparing for the examinations. It will definitely going to help them for their success. Thank you so much. Wish you all the best. Thanks again.